Soft and crusty kulchas stuffed with the lip-smacking paneer filling. Let's make Punjabi Paneer Kulcha. For the dough, I'm taking 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 cup of curd, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Bring everything together and knead a soft dough using half a cup of water that we will be adding in batches. The dough is kneaded. Time to apply a little coating of ghee. Cover the dough with wet cloth and we will let the dough rest for 1 hour for a perfect soft and fluffy kulcha. After an hour, you will see the dough ball a little expanded and softer. Give a little knead for 30 seconds and start dividing the dough into small dough balls. Let's quickly make the stuffing now. I have got a 200 gram paneer block here. Let's grate it. If the paneer you have is extremely soft, you can directly mash it too. As we know, paneer in itself has a very mild flavor. So next, we will be spicing up the paneer with a few masalas for a flavorful filling. I am adding half a teaspoon of Carom Seeds or ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of dry mango or amchur powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 green chilli chopped, 1 inch ginger grated, and 2 tablespoons of chopped green coriander leaves. Bring everything together and start mashing to make a smooth filling. Once done, I'm rolling the stuffing into small balls, which will be the stuffing for each individual kulcha. Time to roll the kulcha and add the stuffing. I'm dusting the rolling board with a little flour, taking the dough ball onto it and rolling them into medium-sized circles. I'm placing the stuffing in the center and bringing the corners together to make a stuffed ball. Press it gently to make a flat disc and start rolling into a kulcha using little flour for dusting. The kulcha is rolled. To make it even better, I am adding on top some black sesame seeds, chopped coriander leaves, and using my wet hands to impress the topping on the dough. For cooking this on the tawa, I am applying a little water on the bottom side to get a crusty base, and now I'm transferring it to a hot tawa pan on medium heat. Well, traditionally, kulchas were baked in tandoor or clay oven, which is not common at homes now. Surely, a simple tawa comes really handy for this. In 3 to 4 minutes, you will see the kulcha fluffing up. I'm flipping it and letting it cook for 2 minutes on the other side as well, making sure it's nicely cooked and roasted from all the sides. At the end, spread some ghee or butter over the kulcha, which not only makes it yummy but also keeps the kulcha soft for longer. Pair this with chole and this Punjabi platter will surely make anyone drool. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.